4 manoeuvres to stretch and mobilise the back of the calf and the bottom of the foot, the soft tissues, muscles in those areas. Can be quite useful for people that have had plantar fasciitis problems for a while. You can use a wall for this. So the first one, we're going to stand against the wall. I'm going to do my left leg first, but I will show you the right as well. We're going to stand against the wall. We're going to put our heel on the ground. We're going to keep the leg straight, and we're going to push in with our hips towards the floor. I'm almost pushing my hips down at 45 degrees towards the edge of the room. And I'm holding down there for 5-10 seconds. I'm releasing. Just there. The heel stays down the whole time, so I'm going to do 3 or 4 of these, nice and firm. You should get a good stretch in the calf area doing this. So you've got 4 there, okay, and then what we do, same position, but we're going to bend the knee. And then we're going to bend the knee down and forward. Rather than the hip coming down and forward, it's now the knee that's coming down and forward. And you'll probably feel this a little bit deeper down, if I was to show you, more this area as you're stretching it. The first one you'll feel up here more, the second one you'll feel here more. So we're pushing that bit, so it's the knee coming down towards this angle now. Okay, again, quite firm. It's a strong area, it can cope with that sort of firmness, okay? So if I then show you the right hand side is here, forwards, relax, good pulsing firm movement and release, there, and then 4, and then the knee one, when the knee comes down, there, and there, 3, and then 4th one's there again, okay. Then we're going to stretch more into the forefoot, that's more this part. More difficult movement to get hold of this one in some ways. What we're doing is we're going to go down on our haunches here, there, so I'm keeping the ball on my foot down. What I'm going to try and aim to do from here is keeping this area down. I'm going to try and get my left knee, you can probably see just rocking into it. I'm going to try and get my knee down as close to the floor as I can. It can be quite uncomfortable if you do it this way. It's a very strong area at the base of the foot, so to get some stretching in it can take some doing. So you see I'm kind of pulsing forward, holding a second, and then we're coming back. If I show you the right leg, you'll notice that my right leg is actually rather more, my right foot's more comfortable than this one's more supple, so with this one I can actually get the knee all the way to the floor. You see me just rocking into it, and then out again. And we'll do 4 there. Again, you could do more than that, you could do 5 or 6. The last manoeuvre we're going to do is to stretch everything all in one go. I'm going to do that laying on my bench over here. And I'm going to use a towel like this. So what I'm going to do, and again I'll start with the left leg. I'm going to put my foot there on the towel. I'm going to lie back. I'm going to stretch the foot up and bring the toes back at the same time. Good stretch and release. Good stretch. If you see my foot shaking, it's because I'm doing it to the point it's quite painful doing that. It's not making me scream though. So I'm going to change the other foot. Just onto there, and then heel goes towards the ceiling, toes are being brought towards me. There and there. Third one, and then one more. Just there. And that's our 4 exercises for the foot and the calf.